Hey guys, this is me. This is my new car I got last year. As you can see, everything is really old. The speedometer runs really good. It's a pretty fast car. It's good on gas, and the only thing we changed in here was the stereo speaker to a Pioneer speaker, because the other one was a piece of junk. What you got here is you got your knob, emergency brake, comfortable seating, as you can see in the back, and I'll take you outside to show you. What you're gonna get in this car is a small mirror, like about that size. It's really good. Nothing on that side. It runs pretty good. As you can see, I'm gonna open up the trunk. Like that. Just gotta find your lucky spot. There's the engine. Runs pretty good. It's a 4-cylinder. But if I speed too much, it's gonna break down, but I should be really careful. Pretty fast engine. Pretty in good condition. It's a VVT/I engine from Toyota. Really nice engine. Air conditioning is pretty good in here. You know, runs really good, has a loudspeaker. You know, really good car, really good energy card, saves money on gas. You want to turn off, you got AC, and then lock, and then take your keys out. I'll show you the back. The back is pretty nice, pretty comfortable back. You got your speakers right there in the back, and then underneath the trunk you get speakers as well. Alright guys, see you later, bye.